Juniper and Ivy is a Michelin Bib Gourmet restaurant located by the harbor and the north side of Little Italy's San Diego, California area. This former warehouse was the vision of owner Mike Rosen's food and drink destination. The kitchen is helmed by executive chef Anthony Wells and chef de cuisine Kojima, with some insights from celebrity chef Richard Blais, of whom Chef Wells previously worked for in Atlanta. The menu was separated into three large sections: bites, small plates, and plates. Also included were two small sections of pantry and desserts. I decided to get one of each bite and one item from the small plate section. I started with some house-made sourdough with cultured salted butter. Light, airy, and a slight funk to the salted butter. My first set, starting from left to right, was a cured hamachi hand roll, a beef tartare with truffle mayo in a phyllo dough cone, and a yellowtail tostada with avocado. All the seafood was fresh, briny, and a party of flavors and textures. The beef tartare had a beautiful crunch from the phyllo dough. The second set was a smoked sturgeon on Ritz cracker and caviar, a corn dog of buffalo chicken sausage with blue cheese ranch, and a baked clam of salami butter and yellow breadcrumbs. The sturgeon was wonderful with a great smoke flavor with the buttery crisp of the cracker. The corn dog was one of my favorites. Great snap on the sausage, and the ranch could have been a little bit more creamier. The clam had a clean, briny, and citrusy finish. My final set was a house mortadella on brioche, a savory la madeleine of mushroom and Swiss, and a chocolate macaron of chicken liver mousse and quince paste. The mortadella was by far the best bite of the night, with a thin slice of cheese and whole grain mustard. The other two dishes I felt didn't hit the mark. The La Madeleine barely had mushroom nor cheese flavor. I was hoping for the umami bomb of flavor. The date puree, however, was a nice touch to add a sweet familiarity of a traditionally sweet French cake. The macaron was a wonderful play of PB&J. I felt it was good, but a little too much peanut flavor. My small plate was a pork and truffle pate. I'm always a sucker for good charcuterie, and this pate did not disappoint. Crunchy bread, amazing bread and butter pickles, and the pate itself had a clean porky flavor with a kiss of black truffle to round out the dish. Overall, a wonderful, great experience, exemplary service from my server Sage, who pretty much suggested everything, especially all of the bites. She did mention the duck dish, however, this was meant for two people, and that was way too much food for me. My overall experience was that this was a great location, great food and drink destination, especially for large parties, and Michelin definitely hit the mark of recommending this restaurant as one of their top restaurants. Hey, thanks for watching. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell for notifications of future content on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.